Yeah, so here's where we populate the deck. And the ID is the position that they were originally in the deck. And then it gets shuffled. And so then when we deal around, we append the card. We are giving away the ID, right? But it's the other part that's wrong. It's this is wrong. For C in deck, no, in state dot deck, if C dot ID equals card ID, then return C. Like that. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think you'd like that. Jesus, you're so needy. You're so needy. Okay, so now the IDs are correct. Yes, the IDs match. That's good. And it's not claiming that they're trying to auction cards they don't have. So this is a massive, massive win, I say. Cannot hold a double auction with this. Right, because this is the ID. Guess I have to do the same thing. Do I do this somewhere else as well? I do. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make this find in deck like that, and this is gonna be find in deck like that. This is dealing around. This is fine. This is not. It's so annoying. Do I just give out the position in the deck instead of the card ID? That would make this nicer. And why do the cards need IDs anyway? Or rather, more to the point, why are their IDs the original position in the deck? Why aren't their IDs where they were reshuffled to? Other than just giving a sense of like continuity to the game between games, that the card ID numbers are always the same. Does that even matter? I don't think that matters. I don't even think I'm going to display the IDs. That's the thing. So I think, yeah, I think I'm going to undo this. That can stay. And then in setup game, after they've been shuffled is when I'll give out the IDs. Like that. And then we'll go for C in state.deck. C.id equals I. Like that. Can I hold an auction with 2 double cards? True. Player 3 tried an invalid auction. 35 Sigurd double auction and a different artist. No, they are not. No, they are not. Simple fix. Cannot hold an auction with 2 double cards. It seems unreasonable to me that they picked the same card 3 times. It seems like it probably wouldn't happen. This is a run auction. Yeah, because every time we do a new one. So here's a valid double auction. So if we go back to strats. So what are we doing here? If card is a double. Cannot hold an auction with 2 double cards. I guess here we also need temp.type to not be equal to double. It seems unlikely to me that this would occur so often. Do we have any other double auctions? It seems like the majority of cases are double auctions with double auctions, but I don't think that's expected. I guess by the end of the game, people are just left with their double auctions. And this will be temp.id. Wow. We can get rid of that. Get rid of that. And then this can just be branch choice. So this is temp ID and state artist, temp artist name. Okay, so that needs to be a dot double. Undeclared name. Okay, so do we have... So here we have a bunch of valid auctions. Can we also print the player ID that's doing this? That's us. Whoops. That's us.id and us.id. Because the player doing the auctioning may be different. Index 6 is out of range. Is it now? So this is if the same person's hard num. I don't think this is where it should fail. Oh, it's not. It's here. Good. I was gonna say I don't think that's where it should fail. Double num equals find card num. Auction.double. Right. Yeah. Player magically lost a card. This is auctioneer num, and the card that they lost is whatever. And this will be OS exit 1. There's not much we can do. Well, I mean, we're exiting, so there's not really much we can do. Okay, unreachable to first. Yeah, well, sure. Whatever. Oh. Okay, so player 2 is auctioning, then player 3 is doing a double auction, single offer. Player 2 won with a massive overbid. Okay, so we're not even going to skew them. We'll have a slightly smarter random strategy at some point, which skews them to more reasonable numbers. But we'll need data first, because it would be interesting to train a model on some of the play data. And do a have it play itself sort of thing. Okay, so this looks like a bunch of auctions occurred. Okay, this looks wrong. This should be way more money. And this is under playground. So what we need to do is we need to up the reward. Where is that done? Okay, the reward for the biggest artist. Is that how this goes?